Okay, here's something to think about. If we were to make some type of a kit, that way whoever is doing the conduit work has to put these connectors on there properly. They can have the option of putting them on there real good, nice and tight. Here's the 1-inch wrench with the 1-inch diameter core. Here's the 3/4 wrench, 3/4 inch diameter core. Here's the half-inch diameter core. And these are the socket sets that we make. Has the 3/8 ratchet that'll fit on there, or 3/4 opening wrench. They're all the same on the back. Half-inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch. But if they already make a socket set to be able to torque them down, then if we had a kit, we could have it all together. That way, if they were to buy a kit, they'd have the option of being able to do it however they needed to do it. And also, they make that blue and red Loctite for the threads, like I have on my motorcycle, keep stuff from backing out. That's another option to make sure that they stay on there properly. Just an idea.